According to the Constitution of India, there shall be a Council of Minister in center and the state also. In case of center, the Council of Minister headed by Prime Minister is the real executive authority in our politico-administrative system. It is also known as de facto, and the nominal head, that means the president, is known as de jure. In case of state, the Council of Ministers headed by the Chief Minister is the real executive authority in our politico-administrative system. That is, it is also de facto executive. According to Article 74, there shall be a Council of Ministers with Prime Minister at the head to aid and advise the President. And in case of state, according to Article 163, there shall be a Council of Ministers with Chief Minister at the head to aid and advise the Governor. Now, according to Article 75, the Prime Minister shall be appointed by the President, and the other minister shall be appointed by President on the advice of the Prime Minister. Clause 2. The total number of ministers, including Prime Minister, in the Council of Ministers shall not exceed 15% of the total strength of Lok Sabha. This provision is added in 91st Amendment of 2003. A Minister of Parliament who is disqualified on the ground of defection is mentioned in 10th schedule, shall also be disqualified to be appointed as a minister. Clause 4. The minister shall hold office during the pleasure of the President. Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. It is the basis of the parliamentary system of government. A minister who is not a member of parliament for any period of 6 months shall cease to be a minister. This means a member of parliament is only eligible to be a minister. Otherwise can be done, but a minister who is not a MP, it is the maximum period of time between which he should be a member of any of the houses. Now, salaries and allowances of ministers are allocated by the parliament. It is mentioned in second schedule. In case of state, according to Article 164, the Council of Ministers shall be appointed by the governor, and the other minister shall be appointed by governor on the advice of Chief Minister. Clause 2. The total number of ministers, including Chief Minister, in the Council of Ministers in a state shall not exceed 15% of the total strength of the Legislative Assembly of that respective state. It is also added through the 91st Amendment Act of 2003. A member of either house of state legislature belonging to any political party who is disqualified on the ground of defection also be disqualified to the appointment as a minister. The minister shall hold office during the pleasure of governor. Now, the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the State Legislative Assembly. In case of state, the Council of Ministers administer and oath is administered by governor. A minister who is not a MLA, that means member of Legislative Assembly of state, for any period of 6 months shall cease to be minister. In case of Council of Ministers of state, the salary and allowances are determined by the state legislature. Now, there is a very important fact. A minister who is a member of one house of parliament has the right to speak and to take part in the proceeding of the other house, but he cannot vote in that other house. So these are the basic differences of Council of Ministers in the state and the center.